Hi kids, welcome to Coloring with Keenan. I'm Keenan. This is
Eleanor.
How old are you?
5.
This is what's your name? Say hi.
Veda.
Veda.
Hi.
She's 3. Okay, and these are my daughters. We are here to color with you, and we're so excited. We actually want to start with, if you have the kids box, we have a motto, and we want to start by saying the motto. So if you want to follow after me, girls, let's raise our right hands. Good job. Other right. There you go. And repeat after me, okay? I am brave.
I am brave.
I am kind.
I'm kind. I'm kind.
And I am creative.
I'm creative.
Let's do this.
Let's do this.
Boom, boom. Okay, there we go. Leave me hanging. All right, so we're gonna get started. The girls have some of our crayons that are
Markers.
Are they markers or crayons? I think they're awesome. They're little animals. Look at this. You can take them off, and they're little. Oh, they're markers. Don't draw on yourself. Okay, the girls are gonna use our besties markers, and we actually have those on our website. But don't worry about that. We're just here to color. Okay, I'm gonna use crayons because I love crayons and they smell nice when you color. And we're just going to color our motto that says, I am brave, I am kind, I am creative. Let's do this. Ready, girls?
This is green.
That is green. Okay, let's color. Go ahead, open your markers. Let's color. I'm going to start. I'm going to do purple. I'm going to do my letters purple.
I'm going to do light.
Light blue?
Look, Dad.
What is it? It's magical.
Ooh, blue cactus.
Ooh, that's fun.
I love it.
I'm going to start with my letters. I like to start with the letters because I like to start with the letters. And that is nice. Eleanor's starting with her cactus. Veda is going to start with...
Her words.
Is she? Looks like she's going to make the sun red. Maybe she lives on a different planet.
I'm living on a different planet.
Yeah, because you have a blue cactus, huh?
Yeah.
That is amazing. Have you ever seen a cactus?
Yeah.
Really?
I've seen one in a show.
You have?
It's in Puppy Dog Pals.
Puppy dog? What? Oh.
When Arf doesn't remember the
Oh,
ways
yeah. Mm-hmm. Arf.
that Rolly doesn't remember what he spies, and their friend Bird, Jonathan,
Uh-huh. Jonathan. Yeah, I remember him.
didn't know what the things were
Oh.
that Rolly
I wonder if the other kids
remembered.
know this show. Do you think they do?
Yeah.
You do? I bet they like that show too.
I'm making the glasses blue.
Oh, that's nice.
I'm making the outside blue.
You are?
Yeah.
I'm making all my letters purple. Sometimes the cameras we use have lens covers, so it's fun for us to get things set up and then be able to see what we look like when we film. And this is one of those times. We had to make sure all our lens covers were off. We had to get all the lights set up, and it's really, really fun.
This is a hot red sun. It's a hot red sun because that's the color of hot.
Yes.
Oh, it is. You're right. That's warm color, huh?
Hot.
Did you know red and yellow are colors that make you hungry?
Oh my gosh.
I know.
There's making her cactus yellow.
That was really loud. Remember, we gotta be cool. We gotta be.
Vita's making her cactus yellow.
That was a much quieter voice. Thank you. You have a great voice. Do you like to sing?
Yes.
Do you and Veda sing together? Oh, that's beautiful. Can you sing
Oh my gosh, I
Twinkle
have a
Twinkle Little Star?
There's a green.
You can't sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? Can you
Oh
sing,
my gosh.
what is it? That's green. That's okay. We like green. Don't you like green?
I can't believe that I'm changing my letters different colors.
Oh.
I'm using something
Ooh,
else.
I'll do the green for my last few letters. Should I do that?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do that.
I like to color the outside.
You do?
I'm using green. I'm using green.
Beautiful. We're all using green. We're a green family.
No, we're not.
Okay.
We're a blonde family.
Okay.
No, we're a kids family.
Yes, we are. We like to be a kid.
Dad.
I'm a kid.
No, you're
Am I a
a
dad?
dad's family.
I'm a dad family?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
The seal head.
That was a loud yell. That was really loud.
I know.
Did you get scared? Because you scared me.
I scared you.
Yeah, you did.
You scared me.
I scared you?
Yeah. Both of us scared each other.
We're a scared team.
I need to wash my thumb.
You need to wash your thumb? We'll wash it in a minute. Sometimes when we get messy, we let the messes stay there for a while
My finger.
because we look creative.
My thumb.
That's your finger
Oh no.
and your thumb.
My finger.
Oh no.
What? I want to see.
It looks like it got some green on it. She's got a green finger. That means
Oh my gosh!
don't yell.
What if I?
Because sometimes yelling scares people.
What if
You
I
scare me every
colored-
time.
What if I colored my whole hand green?
Then you'd have to wash your whole hand.
Yeah.
Don't do it.
Last time
Don't do it.
I
Then it'd be so messy.
some
You were so
pink
close.
Chalk on my hand.
You had pink chalk on your hands?
Yeah, and pink chalk on my these. I had pink chalk on my hands.
You did? Don't do it. Sometimes we get messes on our hands on accident, but we don't want to do it on purpose. Look, your letters are almost done, and they're looking so good. I'm going to do green cactuses on the bottom of my page. Should I color the border? I just noticed that. I should? Okay, I'll color the border too. The border is this rectangle shape on the outside of my paper. Did you see that, Eleanor?
Yeah.
What's your favorite shape?
My favorite shape is a circle because I have a circle head,
Oh,
and you have an oval head.
you're really good at shapes. Wow.
And we have triangle noses.
Mhm. That is.
What is this again?
That's a tiger.
No, that's a.
That looks like a sea lion.
It's a seal.
Well,
Just a seal.
sometimes
No,
I'm not
it's
good with my
not.
animals. What if it's a bird?
It's not like a seal. Nice try, Daddy.
Thanks.
It's not a bird.
All right. I tried.
This is just a puppy.
I'm going to color my border because I think it'll look really cool if I do the whole border
That's a
blue.
seal. I know it's a seal.
You do?
Yeah.
Have you seen one?
Yeah.
You have?
Oh my God.
What's the other ones, Eleanor?
What are the other animals?
A whale?
Ooh, that's a whale like Free Willy. Free Willy's a classic movie.
Walrus,
Yeah.
penguin.
Ooh. I know a penguin dance.
Can I see it?
Yeah, I'll show you later.
Okay. This is a walrus. Oh, and
I just found some dirt in our drawing. It's a brown sand color we can use. Oh, how fun.
there's sand at the sky. It's falling from the sky.
Remember what I said about yelling? We got to be careful because we don't know if someone's got headphones in or if we're going to scare. Maybe they're watching this late at night or in the van on a road trip or in a car or on their phone. What was that sound? That was Oscar the Grouch.
Veda, is that a shark?
You're coloring with a shark?
Whoa.
Here's the ground I found.
Shark.
Look at that. See the brown? Right there. That's the brown.
Oh my gosh.
I know. How lovely. Brown is a lovely color.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Look how lovely that is. It looks like the color of
Red
chocolate.
is.
Red's a lovely color.
Look.
I think mine's done.
Look.
Oh, wow.
So pretty.
It is so pretty.
It's even prettier.
Okay, I'm done. The girls are still working on theirs. I think we can call it a wrap. What do you say? Uh-huh. Okay. All right. We are going to go. We hope that you had fun. Thank you for coming with us. Veda, do you want to say bye? Okay, Vita's not going to say bye this time. Maybe another time. We are...
Maybe she wants you to stay.
Well, we're just going to say bye to the camera.
Bye-bye.
/ our friends.
Bye-bye.
Okay. All right. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks for coming with us. Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.